Hi friends, welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, we will discuss the important banking related current affairs in the month of April. We start. The Equitas Small Finance Bank has launched Selfie Fixed Deposit and Selfie Saving Account to expand its digital banking services recently. Where is the headquarter of Equitas Small Finance Bank? Answer is Chennai. Recently, Equitas Small Finance Bank has launched Selfie Fixed Deposit and Selfie Saving Account to expand its digital banking service recently. Next, what is the current reverse repo rate of India as announced by RBI? Answer is 3.75% and repo rate is 4.40% and reverse repo rate is 3.75%. Marginal standing facility and bank rate both are 4.65%. Next, name the first insurance company in India which has announced additional benefits for its policy holders and agents to support them during the COVID-19 pandemic. Answer is Tata AIA Life Insurance. Tata AIA Life Insurance is the first life insurance in India which has announced additional benefits. The headquarter of Tata AIA Life Insurance is Mumbai. Next, name the most digitally skillful country in the world as per Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey. Answer is India. Next, Vinith Arora has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which insurance company? Answer is Paytm General Insurance Limited. Recently, Vinith Arora has been appointed as MD and CEO of Paytm General Insurance Limited. Next, as per the International Monetary Fund latest report, name the countries which will have positive growth rate in 2020. Answer is China and India. China and India have positive growth rate in 2020. Next, name the bank which has launched Safety Grid campaign for social distancing. Answer is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has launched Safety Grid campaign for social distancing. The headquarter of HDFC Bank is Mumbai and chairman is Deepak S. Parekh. Next, J. Pikirsamy, the MD of Andhra Bank, has been appointed as Officer on Special Duty in Union Bank of India. Mrutyunjay Mahapatra, CEO of Syndicate Bank, has been appointed as Officer on Special Duty to which bank? Answer is Canara Bank. The headquarter of Canara Bank is Bengaluru and CEO is LV Prabhakar. Next, with which public sector bank the government telecom operator BSNL has partnered to launch Bharat InstaPay UPI based payment platform? Answer is State Bank of India. State Bank of India along with BSNL has launched Bharat InstaPay payment platform. The headquarter of SBI is Mumbai and chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Next, what will be the penalty on banks if they fail to invest targeted long-term repo operations funds in 30 working days? Announced by Reserve Bank of India. Answer is 200 basis points. The headquarter of Reserve Bank of India is Mumbai and governor is Shaktikanta Das. Next, United Nations has approved $2.5 million to help Vanuatu affected by Cyclone Harald. What is the capital and currency of Vanuatu? Answer is Port Vila is the capital and Vaatu is the currency of Vanuatu. Next, name the private sector bank which has extended bank assurance with Max Life Insurance for 5 more years and dedicated financial year 21 as year of the customer. Answer is Yes Bank. The headquarter of Yes Bank is Mumbai and CEO is Prashant Kumar. Next, name the small finance bank which has launched digital banking platform named DigiGen. Answer is Jana Small Finance Bank. Recently, Jana Small Finance Bank has launched DigiGen. It is a digital banking platform. The headquarter of Jana Small Finance Bank is Bengaluru. Next, RBI has approved reappointment of Sanjay Agarwal as MD and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank, who has been appointed as part-time chairman of the AU Small Finance Bank. Answer is Raj Vikas Verma. Raj Vikas Verma appointed as part-time chairman of AU Small Finance Bank. The headquarter of AU Small Finance Bank is Jaipur. Next, find the e-commerce company which tie up with ICICI Lombard and Go Digital Insurance to launch health insurance policies. Answer is Flipkart. The headquarter of Flipkart is Bengaluru and CEO of Flipkart is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Next, what is the approved amount under India COVID-19 Emergency Response and Health System Preparedness Package by Government of India? Answer is 15,000 crore. Government of India has approved 15,000 crore as COVID-19 Emergency Response Package. Next, the Appointment Committee of Cabinet has approved the extension of service of Chairman of Mumbai-based Bank Board Bureau by 2 years. Who is the present Bank Board Bureau Chairman? Answer is Bhanu Pratap Sharma. Bhanu Pratap Sharma is the present Chairman of Bank Board Bureau. The headquarter of Bank Board Bureau is Mumbai. Next, find the person who has been appointed as MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance. Answer is Anamika Rai Rashtravar. Anamika Rai Rashtravar appointed as MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance. The headquarter of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance is Gurugram. And Anamika Rai Rashtravar is the first woman MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance. Next, how many people working in informal sector in India have risk of falling into poverty as per International Labour Organization report? Answer is 400 million. As per the report of International Labour Organization, 400 million people in India falling into poverty. The headquarter of International Labour Organization is Geneva, Switzerland, and director is Guy Ryder. Next, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, announced to provide emergency working capital of up to how much amount for small and medium enterprises? Answer is 1 crore. SIDBI announced to provide emergency working capital up to 1 crore for small and medium enterprises. The headquarters of SIDBI is Lucknow and chairman is Muhammad Mustafa. The establishment year of SIDBI is 1990. Next, name the public sector bank which has initiated 4 schemes for self-help groups, follow public offering and forming community to tackle impact of COVID-19. Answer is Bank of Baroda. The headquarters of Bank of Baroda is Vadodara, Gujarat, and CEO of Bank of Baroda is Sanjeev Chedda. Next, what is the grant that was allocated by SARC Development Fund for COVID-19 projects? Answer is 5 million. 5 million allocated by SARC Development Fund for COVID-19 projects. The headquarters of SARC is Kathmandu, Nepal, and SARC Secretary General is Amjad Hussain B. Sayal. Next, how many pharma ingredients and medicines were lifted from export ban listed by Director General of Foreign Trade under Ministry of Commerce and Industry? Answer is 24. The Director General of Foreign Trade headquarters is New Delhi. Next, with which company Punjab National Bank Housing Finance signed an agreement to raise $75 million fund? Answer is Japan International Cooperation Agency. Next, name the payment bank which has joined with Bharati AXA General Insurance and launched Bharati AXA Group Health Assure Policy and Group Hospital Cash. Answer is Airtel Payment Bank. Next, the Reserve Bank of India has relaxed norms to increase the number of days that a state or UT can continue to overdraft to how many days? Answer is 21 days. Earlier it was 14 days. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is Mumbai and governor is Shaktikant Das. Next, what is the grant announced by US government for India through its aid agency, United States Agency for International Development? Answer is 2.9 million. Next, name the Indian state which topped all India level for micro irrigation under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state is the top in all India level for micro irrigation under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Yeddapadi K. Palaniswamy and Governor is Banwarlal Purohit. Next, under which health insurance product IRDAI has made coverage of hospitalization treatment cost COVID-19 mandatory? Answer is Arogya Sanjeevani. Under Arogya Sanjeevani health insurance product, IRDAI has made coverage hospitalized treatment cost COVID-19. The headquarters of IRDAI is Hyderabad and chairman is Subhash Chandra Kuntiya. Next, name the public sector bank which has listed green bonds worth of $100 million in India's INX Global Security Market Green Platform. Answer is State Bank of India. The headquarter of State Bank of India is Mumbai and chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. What is the revised period limit to submit reappointment of MD and CEO in private and public banks as per Reserve Bank of India? Answer is 6 months. Earlier it was 4 months. Next, name the person who heads the advisory committee which recommends increasing the ways and means advance limit by 30% from the current limit for all states and union territories for first half of financial year 21. Answer is Sudhir Srivastava. Sudhir Srivastava, head of the committee which recommends increasing the ways and means advance limit by 30%. Next, what is the increased ways and means advance limit for the first half of financial year 21? Answer is 1.2 lakh crore. Next, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has participated in second extraordinary G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting. Which country assumes G20 presidency for 2020? Answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia will host G20 meeting in 2020. Next, name the company which has acquired 5.45% of stake in Indian Airline SpiceJet. Answer is HDFC Trustee Company. HDFC Trustee Company has acquired 5.45% of stake in Indian Airline SpiceJet. Next, what is the amount that was granted as a loan by Asian Development Bank to Aavas financiers to improve women access to housing in India? Answer is $60 million. ADB granted $60 million as a loan to Aavas financiers to improve women access to housing in India. The headquarter of ADB is Philippines and president is Masazu Asakawa. Next, with which general insurance company in partnership with BharatPe has launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover? Answer is ICICI Lombard. Next, which private sector bank of India has launched banking service in WhatsApp? Answer is ICICI Bank. The headquarter of ICICI Bank is Mumbai and ICICI Bank CEO is Sandeep Bakshi. Next, what is the enhanced foreign portfolio investment limit in corporate bond as per Reserve Bank of India for financial year 21? Answer is 15%. The enhanced limit of foreign portfolio investment is 15% in corporate bonds. Next, the government has extended crop loan interest up to how much amount for farmers till May 31st, 2020? Answer is 3 lakhs. Up to 3 lakh, government has extended crop loan interest till May 31st, 2020. Friends, these are the important banking related current affairs. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.